Hi there, welcome back. So today I got a 2010 Nissan Altima. So just want to show you guys where your cabin air filter located at. So on the passenger side below the glove box right here. So use a light. I'm gonna look below. Alright, so this is where the cabin air filter is. So you're gonna press this piece up. This cover off. The cabin air filter is right in there. So I'm gonna use pliers. Get it out. So this is really dirty. And there you go. So that's the cabin air filter. This one is super dirty. So it should be like close together, but it's really old. There you go, guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.